Crumbles, not just for dessert, get your vegetables in it. Winter Veg Crumble, that's today's veg hack. Let's get ready to crumble. Crumble, fumble, mumble. Your veg box is gonna be full of these traps. Time to get excited, find new ways to use them. This recipe is delicious. Sweet, slightly spiced, crunchy topping. Nothing not to love. It's gonna become a firm family favorite. It's irresistible. I'm gonna use carrots, parsnips, celeriac, kale, but there's nothing really which won't work in this recipe. It's why it's so fantastic. So when you open your veg box, leeks, sweet potatoes, squash, all work really, really well with this. So just experiment, mushrooms, chuck them in. It really is a great, versatile, adaptable recipe. Normally we'd say cut them nice even sizes so they all cook at the same time. But for this, I really don't mind the fact that some are going to be slightly crunchier, slightly softer than the others. I think it will just add to the interest of the dish. This is great. You can batch cook it, you can freeze it, you can always just have a little bit in your fridge to dip off and use it as a side for other dinners. It's lovely. Cool. So they're on 12 minutes. You can make your bechamel now. You make a roux with butter, flour. I added a little bit of Middle Eastern spice to this too because it's going to taste a really nice, sumptuous flavour. Also added some grated Parmesan. Don't have to use the Parmesan if you don't want. The recipe will be in the link. Have a little look at that. Celeriac is actually really versatile. It's actually really adaptable. If you grate it, you can add it into loads of other sauces. In this recipe, it works really well because it kind of like envelops the other vegetables. So the whole thing's like mushy, but still retains its texture and its bite. And it's got a really sort of subtle, delicious flavour, celeriac. It's underused because people leave them and they think they're ugly, think they're hard to use. But just have it, add it into a load of recipes. They last for ages. Once you've peeled it, put it in the fridge and you've got loads of time to use it up. You never, ever should throw a celeriac away. Unforgivable. So I'm gonna make my crumble topping. You can use lots of different things. Nuts, seeds work really well as oats. I've got some almonds, some pine nuts, loads of oats. Mix in flour, mix in butter, rub it all together, and you've got a delicious crumble topping. Got my veg, gonna add it into the beche. Amel sauce, lovely. I'm gonna get the kale in there too. And the lovely celeriac. Oh mate, look at that, look how great that looks. Oh, this smells great, look at this. Winner, winner, root veg for dinner. Crumble topping next. Look at that. Look. Look at that, done. Whack it in the oven now, half an hour. It's gonna be beautiful. 40 minutes, half an hour. Mate, look at this. It smells amazing. It's like brown, it's golden. The almonds have gone all lovely and brown. It smells great. I can't wait to have a go. It smells delicious. It smells really, really good. Like spiced. It still smells of parsnips a little bit. Really unusual, because you look at it, and you think apple pie, but it's not. Root veg crumble. Anything more comforting than that on a Saturday night in the middle of winter? Apart from a cuddle from your girlfriend? Aww. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's so textural just to look at, and all of those lovely smells and flavours, and I know it's gonna be delicious because I made it. So there you have it, winter veg crumble. Really hope you give this a go at home. If there's any other vegetable you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare, or if you've just got a comment, then let us know. Hit like, hit share, tell your friends, and stay tuned for more weekly veg hacks.